Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will continue common names of hydrocarbon derivatives. In previous lecture we have done system A. Today we will do system B. System B is valid for the functional groups containing carbon. So we have the format RZ. So this system B is applicable for the functional groups having carbon. System A was applicable for the functional groups which do not have a carbon. This system is slightly different. We use R as a prefix. Prefix is given to the R group according to the number of carbons present in a chain, and a chain must include the carbon of functional group also. So prefix of R is given and R includes the number of carbons including carbon of a functional group also. So prefixes are if we have one carbon, then prefix is form. If we have two carbons, then acid. If we have three carbon, then propion, and if we have four carbon, butyl. If we have five carbon, then it is a valere. So it is slightly differ from previous system. In previous system we have given the name alkyl, ethyl, methyl, propyl, butyl, but now we have here prefixes. For one carbon form, for two carbon acid, for three carbon propion, for four carbon butyl, and for five carbon valere, right? But if we have unsaturated radical also, if we have three carbons and one double bond, then prefix is acyl. If we have four carbon plus one double bond, then that is a croton. But make sure that double bond must be present at a second carbon, second position. That is quite important, acyl and a croton. And now how to give the suffix to the functional groups? That is the prefix part. Now we need a suffix of a Z, functional group containing carbon. If we have functional group carboxylic acid, COH, as we know in according to 10th standard, its suffix was oic acid, but in common name its suffix is ic acid. O is replaced. Second we have nitrile group cyanide, its suffix is O nitrile. Its IUPAC suffix was nitrile only, but in common name its suffix is O nitrile. Similar manner, NC IUPAC suffix is isonitrile, but common suffix is O-isonitrile. Fourth we have this is acid chloride group, so its suffix is its IUPAC suffix was OL chloride, but O is replaced, so it's IL chloride. This is acidamide, so its suffix is amide. This is ester group, and its suffix is this R is alkyl, and its suffix is O8. So these are the few examples of functional groups containing carbons. Now how to write the common names? Let us understand with the suitable examples. First count the carbon. We have the carbon 3, so its prefix will be propion. And group is COH, its suffix is ic acid, so propion plus ic acid, propionic acid. Second, CH3CHO. CHO is aldehyde group and its suffix is aldehyde. So count the carbon. We have 2 carbons, 1, 2, including the carbon of functional group. So its prefix is acid, and suffix of aldehyde is aldehyde. So acid aldehyde. So this is acetaldehyde. Count the carbon. Again we can see we have 3 carbons. For 3 carbons, prefix is propion, and it is amide group, so its suffix is amide. So propion plus amide, propionamide. CH3CN. Just count the carbon. Again we have 2 carbon. For 2 carbons, prefix is acid, and suffix of CN group is O-nitrile, so acid plus O-nitrile, acetonitrile. Right? Let us understand some more examples. So now we have unsaturated radical also. We have 4 carbons, and for 4 carbons plus we have one double bond at a second position. So prefix of 4 carbon plus 1 double bond at second position is croton, and suffix is aldehyde. So this is a croton aldehyde. Again we have unsaturated radical. Just count the carbon. We have now 3 carbon plus 1 double bond at a second position. So this is a chiral format, and suffix of CN is a O-nitrile. So this is a chiralonitrile. Right? So these are the ways to write the common names of functional group having carbon. Let's solve some more example also. Now we have only one carbon. For one carbon, prefix is form and suffix of COH group is ic acid, so it is form plus ic, formic acid. Again we have one aldehyde of one carbon. For one carbon, prefix is form and suffix of CHO group is aldehyde, so it is a formaldehyde. Now we have the functional group ester, RCOR. So this R is alkyl group methyl. Remaining behind the 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 carbon, prefix is propion and suffix is OH. So methyl propionate. So these are the some examples of system B RZ, where when Z is a functional group having carbons, and system A was applicable for functional groups which do not have a carbon. In next segment we will do the derivatives names, derived names of organic compounds. Thanks for watching.